This is Bill. Bill must build an automation system for his factory. Unfortunately, implementing advanced systems is very expensive and time-consuming. It requires specialized software, hardware, programming skills, and expensive training courses. How will Bill solve all these problems? Multicon is meter, controller, data recorder, HMI, and SCADA in one package. The flexible configuration allows card replacement, even during the device's operation. Multicon supports a great number of I/Os and a wide selection of logical and mathematical functions typical for PLC. Numerous ports and communication protocols enable as a master and slave. The email notification option allows you to receive information about a variety of events in real time. The operator may select from a great number of default indicators. Configuration requires no additional software or hardware. The touchscreen enables process management directly from the device. So much. But that is not all. Multicon features innovative visualization option of monitored process, facility, or measurement point. Just draw a process flowchart or take a photo and upload it into the device. The ability of operating many different screens at the same time, with a great number of default indicators and control buttons available, provides a clear overview of all the control processes in your application. Multicon is an advanced multi-purpose device, simple to implement and ergonomic to use. Bill uses Multicon. Bill is smart. Be like Bill.